the best tools to use if you want to grow your YouTube channel as soon as possible. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you the best tools to use if you want your channel to grow fast. So first tool is TubeBuddy. If you don't have this tool, you need to add it to your Chrome, just in the Chrome web store. And this tool, I personally use it. And the second one is Keywords Everywhere. This app right here, it will help you to find the best keywords that people are searching for, and you should download it too in your Chrome. And the third one and the last one is Social Blade. This one is similar to TubeBuddy, and it's good too. You can find keywords and see the view rank and a lot of features, as you can see. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.